The international financial scene has seen noticeable shifts in the last few years. The enduring dominance of the US dollar in global trade and banking is beginning to wane. Significant changes in the worldwide market in 2023 alone suggested a shift away from reliance on the dollar. What does this signify, then, for the world economy? Are these shifts really temporary incidents? Or is the dollar's hegemony coming to an end? Let's explore and discover. We'd like to welcome you to infomish before we get started. Subscribe to our channel to see more thrilling videos. Let's go back to our original topic now. In the past, the foundation of the world's foreign exchange reserves has been the US dollar. Recent evidence, however, indicates a notable change. A historic decrease of 58% of the world's foreign exchange reserves are held in the dollar, an enormous decrease from the nearly 70% it held during the 1990s. This decrease is a reflection of central banks' increasing tendency to diversify their reserves and become less dependent on one main currency. These central banks seek to reduce the risk of currency volatility and possible geopolitical problems by distributing their reserves among multiple currencies. The countries of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, or BRICS, are responsible for one of the trend's most prominent movements. In an effort to lessen their reliance on the US dollar, these nations have been leading the charge in encouraging the use of their own currencies in international trade. Their dedication to this cause is evident in their actions like extending currency exchange lines and promoting the usage of the BRICS currencies, especially the Chinese yuan. By doing this, the BRICS nations advance a more multipolar monetary system, while also bolstering their economic sovereignty. The dollar's long-standing dominance in the oil industry is also changing. Research indicates that after 2014, the US dollar's impact on oil prices has decreased dramatically. For example, a 1% increase in the value of the US trade-weighted dollar might result in a 3% decrease in the price of Brent crude oil between 2005 and 2013. But the same appreciation only led to a 0.2% decrease from 2014 to 2022. This shift points to a broader shift away from dollar-dominated transactions in the oil market and implies that the dollar's influence over oil price setting is not as strong as it once was. The American dollar's decreasing supremacy is caused by a number of factors. The so-called weaponization of the dollar through economic sanctions is one important reason. Finding alternatives to the dollar-based financial system is becoming more and more important for the countries targeted by these sanctions in order to avoid the consequences. The emergence of new economic powers and changes in geopolitics have also accelerated efforts to build a more robust and diversified global financial system. Even yet, it will still be difficult to quickly replace the dollar as the world's reserve currency. It is challenging to replace the dollar due to its ingrained status in international banking, liquidity, and the stability of the American economy. It would take a long time and extensive international collaboration to switch to a new system. It seems that a more multipolar world is what the dynamics of global money are likely to bring about in the future. The dollar's dominance is unlikely to disappear quickly, but existing trends indicate that challenges will persist to it. This change could be accelerated even more by the emergence of digital currencies, blockchain technology, and financial breakthroughs. In order to adjust to these shifts, nations and businesses must embrace diversification and create plans for navigating a world that is less focused on the dollar. This adjustment will probably entail making technological investments, developing global alliances, and strengthening the stability of their financial systems. All things considered, the waning of dollar supremacy is a complicated and dynamic phenomenon. Even if there are obstacles to overcome, there are also chances to build a more stable and well-balanced global financial system. The BRICS countries' endeavors, alterations in the oil market, and the increased diversification of foreign exchange reserves are all signs of a profound transformation in the worldwide economic terrain. One thing is certain as we keep an eye on these developments: the finance industry is changing. It remains to be seen how much the dollar will lose its hegemony, but the trend is clear. For the time being, we should anticipate ongoing de-dollarization activities and a slow transition to a more varied monetary system. Do you think the decline of the dollar is a cause for concern or an opportunity for a more balanced global economy? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest financial trends and insights. We will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.